Hello friends, in this video I will show you why you need to sprinkle baking soda on your feet. I was really impressed with the result and I think you will like this tip too. Take a basin and pour 2 liters of warm water into it. Next, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to the water. Stir a little. Now soak your feet in the prepared soda solution for 15 minutes. Now a tip for those with dry heels. To get rid of rough skin and cracks on your heels, make this paste. For this you will need warm water and baking soda. Take some paste and rub it on all the rough areas on your feet. After the bath, the skin on your feet becomes soft and you can easily remove all the rough skin, and the cracks on your heels will become much smaller. If you do this bath regularly, you will completely forget what dry heels are and your feet will look simply perfect. Next, rinse your feet and wipe dry with a towel. Share in comments what kind of foot bath you do and what they help with. After the soda bath, be sure to apply your favorite moisturizing cream to your feet. This is the advice I wanted to share with you today. Do soda baths and you will forget what tired legs are, get rid of unpleasant odor, forget about dry heels, rough skin, calluses and cracks. I hope you liked this tip. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in other videos.